guys, welcome back to my channel. How are you doing? Hope you guys are having a great week so far, as the market has given us a great opportunity to capitalize on the gold market. So in this video I'm just going to go through my gold setup very quickly from what I discussed over the weekend, just to see how price has reacted so far. And I will start with the weekly time frame and just work my way down to the 4-hour time frame. So on the weekly time frame, we can see that price as this week has steadily started moving to the upside. Like I said, I'm expecting price to get to the 2070 area, into the zone here, which is a strong resistance zone. As you can see, as price has tested it several times before. In the past, we can see 3 times price has tested this zone, and I'm expecting price to come back to that area, and then we'll see a major price reaction when price gets into the zone. So there may be a major rejection, just like something we've seen here in the past, back to the downside, or price could as well break this up to the upside, and then you'll have a major move to the top, and then we'll be seeing the higher prices for gold. So far that's what we've seen in the market this week. Has started out strongly bullish, and if we go to the daily time frame, we can see as I mentioned over the weekend, that this is the Monday candle over here, right? And I said if this Monday candle breaks this resistance area strongly and closes above it, which we can see, then price most likely will continue to the upside, and that's exactly what has happened. We can see this strong bullish move and this strong candle here that price has formed for the Tuesday candle. So if price closes strongly like this, then I will be expecting that price will continue to the upside. Now price may give us the opportunity to enter more positions, as we will see later on smaller time frames. But again, like I said, if this closes strongly bullish, then we would expect price will get all the way into this zone here, which I am expecting. And if we go to the 4-hour time frame, we can see as well what happened here as well. We can see price in this trend line from these higher highs and higher lows, higher highs and higher lows, and then price broke through this resistance area here, came back into the area to retest it, and straight to the top. And like I said, there may be an opportunity here to capitalize on it if price does retrace down again, forming a lower high, or forming a higher low, and then continue to form a higher high. Or if we draw this trend line through, price may fall on the trend line, maybe somewhere here, and then continue to the upside, just giving us this sort of trend right to the upside. Okay, so this is what could happen in the coming weeks, or so this is what could happen in the coming weeks. So at the moment, this is what it is, and this is what I have capitalized on. If we go to much smaller time frame, say the 15 minutes time frame, especially if you're a day trader, or the 30 minutes time frame, we can see that this is where price is at the moment. We can see price forming this sort of trade here, where you had this area there, and price broke it to the upside. So if you were a day trader and you were trading this is probably one thing that you would have been looking at, this flag sort of pattern, or this ascending flag pattern, where price came up and ranged in this flag pattern and then broke out. So you probably would have entered on the break here, and then price continued to the upside. Okay, so just simple chart patterns that you can easily pick up, whether you're trading a more a longer time frame or a shorter time frame. So now with this, like I said, price if you're a day trader and if you're looking for opportunities to enter into a position later on this week, price could range in this sort of pattern and give us an opportunity to enter on the break of this range, and then you can take that to the upside. Or if we look closely as well, I'm gonna take this off. If we look closely, we can see that there is an area here, right, that price can go into, and we can have a very good buy opportunity here in this demand zone. And if that does happen, that's expecting price to come back down into the zone. Price gives us a buy signal in here. We can capitalize that and take that to the upside. Okay. And again, I'm targeting that area specifically because that is a demand zone. As we can see, if you trade supply and demand, you would know that that is a very good zone to buy in. Also, if you use a Fibonacci retracement, you can see that from there, that would fall into our golden ratio of 0.618. And that area again remains very, very key for us. So if price does fall to the downside, this will be a very good place to look for a buy trade. And even if price does starts to fall, I wouldn't get into the zone. I wouldn't rush to take any buy trade until I see a very good buy signal if I take that. So you need to have other indicators or other things that would prompt you to buy, and that's where your confluence comes in, because you just don't use one indicator, whether you're using candlestick pattern, chart patterns, Fibonacci retracement, trend lines, or you're using other indicators like RSI or stochastic indicator. You have to combine all these to give you a good opportunity and a higher probability of a successful trade. So like I said, this is one of the things that I will be looking out for this week. On the other hand, this may not happen, and then you may just have this sort of retracement, this sort of ranging for a bit, and then price breaks that range to the upside. Okay, so you will just look for, maybe a range around this area here. All right, so you just have to watch closely at the market, see what happens, and take the opportunity when it arises. But then again, all in all, I am expecting price to continue to the upside. I don't normally day trade, so my trade for this week has been set already, which is what I have capitalized on by taking my buy trade around after this, after price tested this area. I took my buy trade there. All right, so this basically is what I'm targeting for the week, just about 500 pips on gold. And if price gets to my take profit, that'll be it for the week for me. So just wanted to show you what I'm looking at, and hopefully you can capitalize on it for the remainder of the week. Just make sure that you have very good risk to reward ratio. Make sure that your stop losses are set, and if you are like me, you probably would have broken even on this trade, which I have already. So I'm more or less in a risk-free trade at the moment. So I wish you all the best this coming week, and I will see you later on. If there is another opportunity on another pair, I will upload a video to let you guys know as well. Okay, so have a good rest of the day, and peace.
You know just what you do to me. Play my emotions like a pair of puppet strings.